It's time once again for The Law and You with the chattiest attorneys around. With us today we have Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. So nice to see both of you.
The night before Thanksgiving.
Woo!
When Greg and I used to bartend,
Greatest night of the year.
This was the worst. What were the top three worst nights?
Before Thanksgiving, New Year's Eve,
and
Christmas Eve.
No.
Christmas Day?
No. Halloween when they turned the damn clocks back.
Oh my goodness.
It was awful. It was awful. We had to work an hour, an extra hour.
Right.
Oh, the rollback day.
The rollback. We had to work an
Christmas
extra hour
was
with
bad,
people just getting completely annihilated.
Crazy, but they're not bartending now. They're attorneys now.
No.
They've moved on up the chain, and they're answering
still
your
love it,
questions for free. So let's get to today's from Jennifer in Carbondale. She says, I saw that your firm recently settled a case for a person who was killed by a car, and the amount wasn't that much. How can that be?
Yeah, so, one of the things that we talk about all the time is adequate insurance coverage. So it's appalling. In the state of Pennsylvania, people only have to have $15,000 worth of insurance coverage. It's ridiculous. So that means if you're struck and killed, if that person only has $15,000, that's all you can recover. It's really, really, really appalling. As opposed to other places, other states, other countries. Canada, for example, you have to have a minimum of $1 million.
What?
$1 million in insurance coverage. So, we're just, in Pennsylvania, it is woefully inadequate. And that's the reason that you saw that.
And right now there's a bill pending in front of the House and possibly the Senate to raise the minimum. Aaron Coffer, local legislator, has put that up for $30,000. And believe it or not, there's a huge pushback on a $30,000 coverage limit. It's insane. I mean, $30,000 barely pays a hospital bill. I mean,
the insurance companies have a tremendously strong lobby in Harrisburg, and this is something that this is a real life consequence that somebody gets struck and killed, and there's only a very minimal amount of insurance coverage.
And the family was grateful for it, but it's not enough.
Well, if you need some help with this or other legal questions, you can give them a call, find them online, and submit your questions for The Law and You at PAHomepage.com.